Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. First, I am opening Binance.com. Now I am buying BUSD, Binance USD, to sell Bitcoin and buy Binance USD. Click here, click on exchange. After clicking on exchange, okay, as you will see here, my account balance is, my account balance is BTC. Okay, and here is two pairs showing, as you will see here, BTC to USDT. Okay, this is my BTC balance, 0.0024021. okay, and this balance you can also view here. Binance, okay, now clicking here to overview. After clicking on overview, now you can see your BTC balance on overview. This is your Binance account dashboard. Okay, 0.0024 BTC equal to 11.31. Okay, now I am here searching my, and same balance you can view here, 0.0024 BTC. Click here. Now I am buying BUSD, this pair. Click here. As you will see here, this pair is changed. After clicking there, current price is what? 47103. Drag it 100%. I want to my total balance to change into BUSD, but now BUSD price is low, as you will see here. if I am selling these bitcoins and buying BUSD, I am receiving 11.2, but my balance is 11.3. There is some difference. Why? Okay, now current price is this. Just click here to sell your bitcoins and buy BUSD. Limit sell order filled. As you will see here, your limit sell order will be filled and your BUSD balance 11.30. Okay, in this way you can to sell bitcoins and buy BUSD. My BUSD balance is this. Okay, now if I am clicking here trade history, as you will see here, BTC to BUSD, my trading history will be completed successfully. 11.3 BUSD will receive. Okay, in this way you can sell Bitcoin to buy BUSD. Okay, Binance is the best place to buy and sell Bitcoin and exchange into other currencies. Okay, Binance is supported Visa cards, bank accounts, local and international, both of them. And Easy Pesa, Jazz Cash, and all other cryptocurrencies. For example, you want to buy Bitcoin or sell Bitcoin. P2P exchange is also available in Binance. Okay, either you want to deposit money from your bank account or Visa card, you can do it. It is also best place. Okay, just click here, first register your account. This link you will find in the description of this video, and start buy and sell in this exchange.